Hi everyone, my name is Josh Wolcott. I'm the chef and owner of Old Souls Catering based in Western New York. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how I brew a cup of coffee with a French press. So you're going to want to grab your French press, a scale that measures in grams, your coffee grinder, a spoon, whatever coffee beans you'd like to use, filtered water, your mug, and I have a thermometer that I use to take the temperature of the water because I like the water to be at about 180 degrees Fahrenheit. So you're going to want to tear out your scale after you have whatever vessel you pour your coffee beans into to measure them, and you're going to need about 19 grams of coffee beans. I like a really dark roast, so I'm using the Wegmans brand dark roast coffee whole bean that I picked up yesterday. Give your coffee beans a coarse grind, and then you can pour your water that is 180 to 190 degrees over the coffee grinds. You want about 290 grams of water to your 19 to 20 grams of coffee. Next, I stir the coffee grinds into the water with the spoon, and I let it sit for a full 4 minutes without touching it. I know it's hard, but the full 4 minutes is really needed to impart the flavor of the coffee into the water. When your timer rings, take your spoon and gently stir just the top of the grounds that are floating on top of the water. Give it a quick little stir, and then put the top of the French press on and let the plunger go down so it's just about sitting on top of the water. And then set a timer for another 5 minutes. Now this part is the really hard part because it smells good and you want to drink it, but give it another 5 minutes to pull all those flavors out of the grounds. Gently press your plunger down until you feel the slightest bit of resistance. Now your coffee should be ready to pour into your mug. So gently pour it until basically all the liquid is gone. You want to just leave a little bit in the bottom so the minuscule bits of coffee grounds don't pour through the filter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy your coffee.